Hey Mud family, back here at Crown Point Ecology Center near Akron, Ohio, visiting one of my favorite jobs I've ever done, this lovely cob frog with a couple of rocket burners and it's even got a propane barbecue grill built in for quick snacks. But it needs some love, and the Ecology Center is back up and running after COVID and ready for us to do some work on it. Got to call Kelly, my artist, who painted these lovely frog eyes, get her to come out and give them some love. And I got some settling to deal with where I got a crack in the cob, and the carpenter bees really loved eating on this cob over here. Our local squirrels like to hang out and eat their dinner up there, and they like to climb inside, so I have to clean it out. But the pizza oven's gonna get some loving, and if we can come up with a good budget, we'll be putting the living roof on and the top of here, and maybe even adding a gazebo or pavilion over here where people can sit and eat their pizza. That'll be kind of cool. I'll keep you posted.